Good morning, students. Today, discuss about some basic programs, Pythons. Today, Python basic program. Okay, basic programs are there. We'll see by simple print command, then having that arithmetic, simple print command, then operators. Basic Python program, print, operators. I have to see about the type function. Then I can see about is that if functions, then discuss about is the def and def functions. Okay, this you can able to see. You have to go to the different versions are available. You go to the command prompt. The command prompt, you go to the where the particular drivers are available. Give by the cd backslash, come to the root directory. The root directory give by the list out dir. I mean that is a Python 32 312 will be inside the computer. So give by 3D Python 312. Then you can type by here as a Python. If you type by the Python here, triple symbols are coming. You have to give by the puts, give by the hi message. One second. So you not puts here. I mean there is a print hi message. And also syntax print equal to hi message. It display by hi message for that. But there is no that we don't know which is syntax for that syntax. Suppose give by the 4 plus 5 give the output 6 plus 6 into that 6 7 36 will become like a able to check. We have apply by the modulus operators also available from 6 4 modulus of 5 give the 4. Then you have it there's some arithmetic exponent operator also they 5 they give by 32. So it is having that is a arithmetic operators is there arithmetic operator followed with. Suppose you can see now this having the blank color screens are there. We could not possibly identify which is the predefined keyword, which is having that's the user defined keywords are there. So we'll apply from as the IDLG. If you open by the IDLG, predefined IDLCs are there. IDLG. If you type by the command by here, right? They give by the syntax, they give by the example further what you will type there. You want to give by high now. Okay, they close it, press enter, give the output first high. Somewhat different color output will become here. It will give by 2 plus 3 equal to 5. The output you can show by some different color. 5 into 6, 5 plus 6 also 11 become. This you can able to do from the same kind of. But if you want to save all the file, all the program in the save the file, you have to create a new file. Suppose new files are the new file. You can give by the suppose I have a type by the demo. The is covering as the having this case the command line. Suppose I want to print with some number, the print. Okay. The print welcome. Print double quotes welcome. Okay, then close it. Then after give by the some other variable, give the x equal to 7, then y equal to 7. Now you can check the variable equal to x plus y. Now if you want to give the x plus y, you can give by this operation as a print. Give by the x plus y. Okay, if you give the x plus y, similarly you can perform with the n number of operations. Okay, here having that is a x plus y, x minus y, x multiplication, x divisible y. You can check all. Okay, first I have to save the file. Where the particular files I have to save, please look at the file because this is the loading from the C code Windows. Pythons are there. Please find where you are saving the file. Okay, go to here and I have to create by some Python folder. Okay, already Pythons are there. Now, if you want to create this same location, Windows Pythons are there. Now, have to save the file with having this a demo. Suppose you can see by the one folder going to create it. You give the rights for that. You give by demo. Okay, demo in the folder to type with the exercise 1.py. If you give save now, they ask to the save the file. The permission going denied. So I will save from as some desktops. Okay, with having that is the here and DS folder you can write from a simple demo. Like create my own folder is called the code demo. In this one I can save. Okay. Once save this file, the file will be available. Before running the anything, you want to check about the save. Run window. The given about the welcome. Welcome. Then having the 7 7, then having the is a 14, then having the minus 49. Yeah, x divisible by y is having 7 by 7 is there. Suppose we apply by the modulus operator. If you want to copy, Give the paste, give by there is a modulus operator. If you have modulus operator, return by the remainder for that. If you want to run, you give by the F5 for that. Run means as the F5. Okay, you can save it, you get the output equal to 0. You can able to see the output equal to 0 for that because modulus operator will be as a less than 1. If you having x equal to 5, you want to see except that one, we have to run here. We want to see about 5 because number is having it is a less than by the denominator, so it give by the output equal to 5 only. This comes from as it is a the normal operation. Suppose if you want to see what is the integer number, suppose having we have give by the number equal to 7.7. Okay, z equal to some other name. Okay, if you type it, I want to see by the particular data type's name. Okay, you can give by the name as the print. Okay, what are the statements are required? I can able to make it very M statement for that. Okay, command line not possible to executable. What are the things required to myself? I can give by the print. I want to know by this particular the type. Okay, we had to give by the string. Had to passing the argument equal to is the type. Okay, we give by the type of particular variable. Having it is a x. If you want to close the bracket, then close it. Okay, type of x. Similarly, you can give by the all these three variables. Okay, type of x, type of y, and when there is a type of z. Okay, if you want to run it, save it, and make it by F5, you can able to see there. Okay, the welcome is not make it by command line. Give a welcome equal to class integer float and strings are able to display here. Okay, I'm saving entire file to here. I'll give by the command. Okay, what are thing you can able to see it. Just to make it by as a command line. Want to make it after remove the command line, you're going to be executable for that. Suppose go from as here. When I declare by here, like suppose x equal to, yeah, same with the sum. Suppose having there is a x equal z equal to my name. Suppose if you want to make by the print, suppose give from three variables are x, y, z. Three variable are also can able to assign with a single variable. Okay, if you want to press F5, it give by the three name become as strings. Okay, the three multi-variable as a assignment operator also available. Suppose if you are assigning the variable like suppose 10 comma 20 comma 30. If you assign likewise, now if you want to run with F5, it give by the tuples. Okay, having the number of variables are there 10 20 comma. Now if you want to assign this one to this some data types, suppose give by this number. Okay, if you give the number, if you are declare the variable equal to the array type. Okay, array type we have declared. Okay, here I have it is 10 20 and 30. Okay, now if you want to print, if you want to print this number, okay, print this number. Okay, print this number. Suppose this is statement now. I'll make it as the first last line. This is not required now. I'll make it by everything as a command line. Suppose I want to print the number. Okay, print the number. Number equal to 30. If you want to run it, okay, it will not say anything because we didn't make the print statement. Suppose give by the print. If you want to give by the num, okay, close it. Now, if you want to run, you will display by the three elements. If you want to print with the bracket having the 1, okay, if you want to give the 2 means, to give the print with the 0, 1, 2, the 2 is given by the output equal to 30. 30 open wherever programs are available. Here I typed by small program, even numbers. Okay, even number. We want to give the number. Num equal to integer input, enter the number mean. I have to give the input of the number, I give by the input. Okay, input, enter the number. Integer type having that is the integer number was given, so give by integer. If you want to make it by floating point number, give by the float for that. The first number is that is check the even number or not. Even number mean modulus by 2 written by 0 to give by this remainder. Okay, it is given the even number. If it is a modulus value written by the 1 mean give by is odd number. So can you first of all give the number, enter the number. After giving the number, take assign the assignment to the number variable modulus of 2. Modulus of 2 means just divisible by 2. Number is divisible by the modulus by 2 means but remainder is having 0 to give by the even number. Suppose we can give by the F5, you can check that output. It is having a lot of problems. Sorry, just to close it. I have to restart that new one. Now the restart the program. Can able to see here. Enter the number equal to 5. Okay, 4 is given, 5 is given. It is having an odd number. Suppose click again. I have to be a run the window. If I give equal to 4, to give as the even number. Is having the first program about is the whether the program is the even number or not. After I will check about the second program is the prime number. If you're going to check about prime number, what is the rules for that? Prime number, the number divisible by 1 and also it's divisible by 1 by itself. So first of all, I have to be called the number. You want to print by the first 20 number between 20 number between by the 0 to 20. So you have to define by the def is the function name is the prime number. You have to pass in by n argument here. You want to check prime number equal to n greater than equal to 1 return equal to false. Otherwise, go from as I value equal to 1 to range. The 1 to range, starting number equal to 2, and what the n is passing there, having the n multiplied with 0.5 will be applied plus 5 plus 1 want to be added. After performing here, what is the answer is to confirm as a n. You want repeating the step. Repeating step means how many number of steps you want to process the data. You have to go from as a one by one increment need to perform. To having the result 2. Only for as though n having the result modulus of 1 written by 0 means false. Okay, so it having the result written by 2 means just to print the number between by the 2 to range. Suppose if you want to this is the having the print of enter the number, enter a range for that. After assign by range, more for assign with here, passing the argument to the range function. Here having the range function is there. And I come to here, prime number is 1 means give the output equal to 1 for that. Okay, already are not taken by 1. So I can able to run the code here. Run the code. Okay, enter the ask number is there. Suppose give by the 5. If you give the 5 mean in between the 5, okay, they will not display by the 1 here. You have to display by 1 itself. So you already given by return value equal to 1. So we are increment by the remaining number. We are printing the number is the remaining numbers for that. Usually also one is also prime number, but between by the 20 numbers are the 20 number. If you want to run here, if you want to get the number equal to 20, it will print by what are the prime numbers are coming. Having there is a 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. This is having there is the second program open. Next one, you want to open with third program. Can you close it? File and open. Swapping our number. The swapping our number is very easy. We want to check the number with the third variable only. First, I have to give the input are two numbers. Okay, after having the call by before swapping, what is the first number, second number will be the display there. After the number one, number two, we as the what are the inputs are taken, they have to pass from as the swapping number. After swapping number, I will number one, number two want to pass here. The confirm as a comma b, temp equal to a equal to b equal to temp. Return have the a comma b. Return comma a comma b now. Here having the a comma b, we have a passing argument having the number one comma number two. So we printing with the number one, number two. The two number want to swap and give the output for that. So we can run it. Okay. First they asking about the enter the first number. It is a 10. Sorry, it's a 1. Second number equal to 7. So the first before swapping the number first number equal to 1, second number equal to 7. After swapping number equal to 7 and 1. So it is having the result the third program. The fourth program is the okay, it having the result factorial function. Factorial function already know that factorial numbers are there. Here is simple recursive functions are there. Enter the input from the say, user from the integer type. They had checking by less than 0 means there is no factorial number. If it's not there now, factorial of number. What is the number you are passing here data? You can given here is number function fact of num. Fact of me called by the factorial function with the n variable. The n equal to 0 written by the 1. Otherwise, go from as the n into factorial by n minus 1. What suppose example 5 is there means first to compromise the 5 into 4, then I will likewise. You have to repeating operation, it will give the output for. So if you want to give the output equal to the input are in the 5, then give the output equal to 120 for that. Okay. The third fifth program is having the find by the maximum element. Okay. How do you find the maximum element? Okay, we can write from as a function. Okay, we have to write for the max functions are the numbers I have to give by the array elements are given. They have to call by the maximum and minimum variables are there. You have to find by the maximum and minimum number of passing by the numbers. Number means this array need to be passed. After passing the array, it will come to the main function. We have to check by the whether the define def maximum function equal number equal to if it is not a number written by none. If it is a maximum number equal to maximum number and minimum number equal to num of 0. The assign with having num of 0 means this is having the 0 value. Then after that, I have to check from as the 1 star. 1 star means number of 1. First number want to be a checking with all the number to find whether number is greater than equal to maximum element or find by maximum element. So which is the maximum element are they can able to find by the maximum element storing on the number value stored into the maximum number. Similarly, number equal to less than the minimum value. Minimum number go to assign with number value. Find the which is the minimum value. Return with having the maximum and minimum value found. Okay, I have written to you. Return me first is written by the maximum number. So written by the maximum number. Next is the minimum number. Written by the minimum number for that. So list of numbers are going to display numbers after having the maximum number equal to maximum, minimum number equal to minimum for that. So if you want to run here, it is going to be execute the code. Last out what are the program list of the numbers are there minus 5, 5, 102, 7, 3, 128, 10 are there. Among the numbers, so 128 is the biggest number. minus 5 is the smallest number. So this having it is the second program. Fifth program. Next compromise string concatenation. It's a simple program. Okay, when I give by the string, okay, we have to discard by the some words. Okay, concatenation first string. Like string equal to one, string two equal to word. The result of string equal to string one plus string two. To go and display. After concatenation string, result string on display. Substring want to be applied. Substring want to be applied. You can see output here. Substring. The result of string having six dot. Six dot mean only can print with the having the above six character. Leave it and remaining character want to be printed. So you can see the output here. Totally having the hello words are